Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the DLC and world area where Iron Valiant can appear. Once done, save immediately so you can reset quickly if needed. Prepare a lead team with high damage and status coverage, and stock healing items and 1/2 revives. Make sure you know which biomess or raid dens spawn it. Target high-tier Terra raid dens or late-game overworld spawns. Begin at the closest fast travel point and move systematically, because efficiency saves time and preserves rare candy resources. Now you execute the main search. Check known dens and late-game zones repeatedly. Once you find a candidate den, approach and inspect raid stars before engaging. Using game spawn boosts like sandwiches or items that increase rare encounters and coordinate daytime or weather conditions that affect appearance. If you don't see Iron Valiant, soft reset by reloading your save or leave the map area and return. This cycle spawns faster. Keep notes on time and location, because patterns help you narrow down the exact spawn mechanics. To finish, lower Iron Valiant's HP to the red, apply sleep or paralysis, and then use high-rate balls, ultra or timer, so you maximize capture chance. Rotate false swipes and status moves for safety. Once caught, save right away. If it flees or you can't find spawns, reload your save and repeat the spawn cycle steps. Verify you have the correct DLC and game update, and make sure any online raid filters aren't hiding relevant dens. This single troubleshooting check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.